The Magic Mirror. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Glamourville, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily adored makeup, but struggled with achieving the flawless look she often saw in magazines. One day, while browsing through the enchanted marketplace, she stumbled upon a mysterious antique mirror. Curious, Lily approached the mirror, and to her surprise, it began to shimmer and glow. Out stepped a glamorous figure dressed in sparkling robes. It was the legendary makeup guru, Charlotte Tilbury, the guardian of beauty secrets. With a warm smile, Charlotte introduced herself and offered to share her wisdom with Lily. She explained, "My dear, achieving a flawless makeup look starts with a clean canvas. Just like a painter begins with a blank canvas, you must start with fresh, clean skin." Charlotte guided Lily through a magical skincare routine, emphasizing the importance of cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. "Think of your skincare routine as the foundation of your makeup," Charlotte explained. "It primes your canvas and creates the perfect base for your masterpiece." Eager to learn more, Lily listened intently as Charlotte revealed her secrets for radiant skin. From hydrating serums to nourishing face masks, Charlotte shared a treasure trove of skincare tips, each more enchanting than the last. Armed with newfound knowledge, Lily bid farewell to Charlotte and returned home, determined to put her teachings into practice. She followed Charlotte's skincare routine diligently, and soon her skin began to glow with a natural radiance. As Lily applied her makeup, she remembered Charlotte's words. "Proper skincare is the key to flawless makeup application." With each brush stroke, she felt more confident and empowered, knowing that she was taking the first step towards her beauty dreams. From that day forward, Lily's makeup looked more beautiful than ever before, and whenever she glanced into her mirror, she remembered the magical encounter that had transformed her skincare routine, all thanks to the wisdom of Charlotte Tilbury, the guardian of beauty secrets.